European car interiors are usually timeless, blending sophisticated luxury with modern technology. However, for owners looking for a more next-generation driving experience, the factory gauge cluster can start to feel dated, making the vehicle seem older than it really is. Today, we'll be replacing the factory gauge cluster on this BMW F chassis with a fully digital version that transforms the interior and brings a modern look to the cockpit. First, we'll disconnect the vehicle battery and remove the factory gauge cluster. The cluster is secured by two T15 screws. The first screw is located here, and the second can be found directly above the tachometer. Before removing these screws, we'll need to create enough room to pull the cluster forward. Lower the steering wheel by pulling down the adjustment lever, then move the wheel fully downward and outward before locking it back into place. This will provide the clearance needed to remove the cluster. Using a T15 screwdriver, loosen and remove the first screw. Then repeat the process for the second screw. With both screws removed, gently pull the cluster forward while tilting it downward. Wiggle it slightly until the lower retaining clips release. Next, rotate the cluster outward so we can access the wiring connections on the back. On this BMW F30, we have two connections, including the optical cable. Press the release tab on the first connector and disconnect it from the gauge cluster. As you can see, the optical cable is flashing red, indicating that the vehicle is actively transmitting data. A pretty cool detail to see. Now, depress the retention tab on the second connector and slide it out of place. With both connectors disconnected, carefully maneuver the gauge cluster out of the dashboard, making sure not to scratch the steering wheel or surrounding trim. Now it's time to install our fully digital gauge cluster. But first, let's take a quick look at how it's assembled. This is the digital gauge cluster. It includes an outer bezel that clips onto the front of the display, allowing it to maintain an OEM-style appearance once installed. At the top, you'll find two metal mounting posts that secure the cluster to the vehicle using the factory screws. Certain F chassis models also utilize an additional wiring harness that connects to the upper portion of the assembly. Once everything is connected, this is the complete unit that will be installed into the vehicle. To begin installation, carefully slide the digital cluster into the dashboard. Since it's slightly larger than the factory unit, you'll need to work it into place from side to side. Next, reconnect both wiring harnesses. The connectors are keyed and can only be installed one way, so simply push them into place until they lock securely. Now, slide the outer bezel over the cluster and guide the two upper mounting posts into position, while ensuring the bezel seats evenly against the dashboard. As you're doing this, connect the small wiring harness from the rear of the cluster to the connector located on the upper trim bracket. Once connected, slide everything into place and carefully work the assembly until it sits completely flush. Some clips may require a little extra pressure to fully engage. Now, reinstall both T15 retention screws and tighten them until the cluster is securely mounted. With the installation complete and the battery reconnected, it's time to power on our brand new digital gauge cluster. The result is a massive full HD display that replaces the aging factory unit and instantly modernizes the interior. This digital cluster provides a wealth of information at a glance, including oil temperature, coolant temperature, battery voltage, fuel economy, and numerous additional vehicle data points, all displayed on a bright, crisp, fully digital screen. And that's how you install a fully digital gauge cluster in your BMW F chassis. It's one of the most effective ways to modernize your European car's interior and make the vehicle feel years newer. For more information or to purchase a digital gauge cluster for your BMW, be sure to check out the link below.